the open source PRM, and it gives you the core essential tools, right, to figure out what you need and what you don't need in order to go to market with the program that works for you, right? And because partner programs, they don't need a one size fits all, right? Usually there's always gonna be some customization. You're gonna have your own different integrations, right? You may have a different vision of how you like the layout of your platform to be, but that's gonna give you the flexibility to go to market, on your own terms and what works for you. But also in addition, how do you kind of see this helping, you know, in companies or like developers, other developers outside of our company, consultants, and just some of the players that are on the periphery? How is an open source PRM going to be, a value add to, consultants and developers, or even developers, internally in other companies? How's the value add?
Definitely. It's gonna open up new doors. It's gonna be a new ecosystem which is getting built. Now, consultants, if you think of from a consultant point of view, consultants can design custom partner programs, okay? And developers can add cool integrations. As I said earlier, if you have an in-house solution and you want to build that on this open source solution, it's possible now. And builders can experiment this freely. They need not to be tied up with any agreements, vendor licenses, and all the stuff. They can experiment freely, and there is no need of waiting for us to do something for them. They can do themselves. They can create what they need. So that's the beauty. That's like opening up the new ecosystem.